With spring comes a fresh start, new beginnings. The perfect time to say out with the old, in with the new. Dana DiPiazza joins us in the studio this morning to share a few ways Lakeside Renovation and Design can help give your home a facelift with some premium materials. Is that right?
That's exactly right, Dana. Lakeside Renovation and Design is a family and locally owned business that takes care of our community year-round. But there are some must-haves that you likely won't want to miss this spring, especially when it comes to protecting your home in style.
The home is probably one of the largest investments that we all own. When we start to see the exterior start to fade and get dreary, and we start to see rot, and we start to see vinyl siding that looks worn and chalky every time we bump up against it, it's the opportunity to say, hey, do I have the equity in my home? Is this the right opportunity for us to make this investment, to take a transformation on our home and make that investment to protecting, hey, this is our home where my family stays. From all the weather and the inclements, we want to do that really well. And where we think that it's the best way to do that is with Infinity Windows, filling those holes with a really strong, stable product. And then with James Hardie siding, a premium product that's going to be super stable and extremely weather resistant to all types of weather that we get and experience in St. Louis. The installation of these windows is a little bit different. As you can see, there's a nail fin here, and we're used to seeing nail fins and thinking, oh, that nail fin has to have a nail in every hole. Infinities are a little bit different. We have such a strong frame in the fiberglass that really we're screwing into the frame in a few different places. That's where the strength of that's going to come. This tape and sealing and flashing, we're going above and beyond to make sure that no water is going to be able to get behind that window surface and into our home. We're protecting that barrier right there. Here we see a weather stripping that's actually much more like a refrigerator weather stripping. A solid vinyl stripping that's going to seal really tight. Infinity is going to tell you that they last a lifetime. So this is James Hardie siding. It comes in primed, color plus, or you can also do a custom color. It comes with this film on it to protect that beautiful color plus surface. You know, we can look at and see the difference of a flimsy piece of vinyl, right? In comparison, this thing is going to warp, it's going to expand and contract. When it gets around heat, it can even melt and discolor, and only a few years later, it's going to have this dirty, discolored, chalky feeling on it. Hardie's really not going to give that for us. It's going to have this long-lasting finish to it. Again, we're protecting the exterior of our home. So when hail hits it, anything like that, where vinyl's going to chip and have holes in it, this is not. What else we have is a select cedar mill, which is going to have a wood texture to it. Then you're going to be able to see stucco panel, smooth panel, a lot of those beautiful gables that have those accent pieces are going to be, we're going to have shake, straight shake, staggered shake. Again, offering this, it's going to look like wood, but it's not going to have the maintenance or the fear factor of that wood rotting or having insects get into it. We want to build those customers for life, and part of that relationship is giving someone a lifetime workmanship warranty. We're saying out loud, we want to install products that we're proud of and that protect your home really well as a partnership. There is a team of experienced people and craftsmen that stand behind our name, whether it's that hardened exterior that's going to protect against the weather, or it's that interior renovation that you've been saving and dreaming for years.
Lakeside Renovation and Design's main office and showroom is in Chesterfield at 139 Chesterfield Industrial Boulevard. You can give them a call for a free consultation. Their number is 636-978-5000.
So many people are renovating their homes right now. So
that's right.
It's good to have them in mind. Thank you so much, Dana.